SharkSignals now supports Tradovate. This means it's even easier for you to automate your trade systems. You can take your favorite TradingView strategies and execute them automatically. If you use TradingView already and have indicators and or strategies that you want to automate, you can now do so without installing any desktop software. SharkSignals can take alerts from TradingView and executes them automatically, but with you in full control. Our simple to use planning screen here gives you full control on how you want your automated trades to play out. You start by adding any connected broker. Here, I'm adding Tradovate. Our system is well versed in futures markets, and it can automatically figure out the front month contract to send to the broker. You can, of course, specify the exact contract months of your choosing.
Order filled.
The moment I hit buy or sell, the trades are faithfully executed on Tradovate with all your exit brackets orders intact. In this case, I've got 3 such brackets. Try it free today at SharkSignals.